now. We have the air ambulance on standby, just simply waiting for payment. And I'm not going to take account for her death because this is critical, and we're not going to sit down and allow my family to die because of any policy. Life first. Best care first.
I am the director for Sanina Foundation. Carrie and folks, family have reached out to the Sanina Foundation for help. Ms. Folks is one of the persons that get injured in the explosion a few days ago. The family have reached out to Sanina Foundation for help, and we secure the medical help for her abroad, and we now need her to fly out, the air ambulance to come and take her to abroad.
My name is Renee Folks Johnson. I am the sister of the supervisor who was on duty on the day of the explosion. Her name is Carrie Folks. She is in urgent need of specialized care, in extreme pain. She is in extreme pain. She has various levels of burns from partial to critical or to severe. And at this time, her moral is deteriorating the longer she stays in this hospital. We have assured her as the family that we are working with all the contacts that we have to identify a facility. We have done so, and based on her injuries, based on the admissions of the doctor, based on the consultations that we have had with the international community as well as the local experts, there are no burn facility in Jamaica, and so we are not confident, even though we know that the doctors in Jamaica are exceptional. We, however, need also not just the best doctors, we also need the best facilities, the best technology, the best resources, the best protocols, the best rooms, so that she can be regulated, so that she does not get an infection. And at this time, based on what we have seen, we are not confident in any other facility in Jamaica at this time, and we don't have the time to wait to research or to be convinced. We, the family, have the autonomy and this final decision for the care that she should be provided with. And as a family, we have identified a facility overseas which we are assured will give her the best care that she needs for recovery. And that is our decision, and it is not conditional, and it is not going to change. At this time, I am not pleased. At this time, we, the family, have indicated to Burger King what we find as an acceptable option for care. We have made that unconditionally known, and we will not accept anything less than what we think is the best. She requires the specialized care of a burn facility. If there was one in Jamaica, we would accept. But from all the research I have done, there is none. And so we will not accept any suboptimal arrangement. We want her to be seen by a no, I am not. At this time, we need the funds released immediately without having to go through bureaucracy, without having to go through policy, without having to go through proof at this time. Life is at stake and policy is secondary because life is first. And we need her on that plane immediately.
As you know, that Sanina Foundation was contacted by the family. All right, so what we did, we went ahead, as this is not our first burn victim case. So we went ahead and we secured the facility to give these folks the treatment that she needs. However, the hospital is ready and waiting, ready and waiting to accept Miss Folks to start treatment on her. So we are asking Corporate Jamaica to please come on board and let's get her out to go overseas to get this treatment. We want to save a life. So help us.
All right. In terms of in terms of the degree burn, I know that she is really bad, and as time progresses, you know, deterioration will happen. But Sanina Foundation has actually come in and helped the family to secure the location. The doctors, the beds are charged. The doctors are waiting to start surgery. So the only thing that is needed is just the air ambulance. And of course, she has a fighting chance. She has a fighting opportunity. So as my director, Robert White, was saying, we're asking Corporate Jamaica to come on board to help to save this life.
Finally, when stuff like this happen, in terms of what period of time you need to get out?
48 hours is really critical, and it's a gas stove explosion. And this would have been our third experience dealing with a gas stove explosion, so we understand. And all the records are in the United States at the hospital, and the doctors are ready, the surgeons are ready to perform the surgery to give her a fighting opportunity. So the only thing that is needed is the airfare.
I know it's trying time foundation. Hear your cry. You have come to us for some help, and we do what we're supposed to do. We secure the medical facility to help your daughter abroad, and we're ready to go. The only thing is stopping your daughter to go now is the airfare, ambulance fare. So once we can get that, then your daughter will get the care that she needs abroad. And we have to ask Jamaica diaspora, the public support to come together and let us try and save her life. Alright? You know, Sanina Foundation have been involved in so much burn victim life. Yes, and we are going to stand by you until we get her to leave and get the medical care that she needs.
I implore the assistance of the Jamaican public, members of the diaspora, and anyone hearing this plea this afternoon to assist us in moving forward. We do not have the luxury of time to go through insurance policies, to go through and to prove that she is in need of care. Everyone was aware of the explosion, and that speaks for itself, and now is the time to get her the assistance that she needs. The family will not accept suboptimal arrangements. We will not accept anything less than the best. Burger King has assured us that they will provide best care. The family have identified a facility that we find acceptable, and all we need at this time is the air ambulance fees to be paid immediately so that she can be transported tonight to start getting the specialized care that she needs. We thank the KPH for all that they have been doing so far, but we thank the Sanina Foundation for the pillar of strength and the expertise and just the support that they have offered us. We thank the family and friends, but right now we need urgently to get her into that hospital before any of the family can sleep or be assured that she will recover in the best case scenario with optimal results as possible.
She burned all over, but I don't know the state of what she into, but she burned all over. Some of her flesh is gone right now. Right here, it don't have any flesh.